Hello there, welcome to your Thursday morning weather update from the Met Office. For some, it's going to be a wet day. Wet weather pushed northwards overnight into this morning, all courtesy of a slow-moving weather front which will stay in place through most of today as the air turns colder from the north. So a cold day across Scotland, even with some showers. But notice towards the south, yet another batch of wet weather arrives, pushing northwards slowly into Friday morning as the winds pick up some strength. So we do have a rain warning across England and Wales, away from the far north of England and the far west of Wales, the far southwest of England. Now, what we're expecting here is some prolonged and, if not heavy, rain. The combination of wind and rain causing problems on the roads, but there is a flood risk here. The land is so saturated, the rivers are so swollen. We've seen a lot of rain through the month of November so far. And even where you don't see the rain across central and northern areas, you'll still have to contend with that strong and gusty wind, making it feel cold. Now through Friday, that rain continues across these parts, that wind also persistent, and into Saturday it will tend to fade away, and then we'll see not only colder air but also some dry conditions, particularly through Sunday. Now if you're stepping out first thing this morning, watch out for a rash of showers and a strong cold wind across northern Scotland. And then some drier skies, but rain anywhere from the Trossachs southwards across Scotland, northern England as well as Northern Ireland. Some heavy rain can't be ruled out. Winds will be strong here as well. Now across the bulk of England and Wales, it's a mostly dry start to the day, away from the far southeast where you could see a little rain. But the cloud will break through the morning and we could see a mix of cloud and some brighter skies, if not a little sunshine. So through the morning, let's pick up on that band of rain. As I said, it's slow moving. It remains in place through the morning into the afternoon. At the same time, these showers stream down, turning wintry over the higher ground, and that wind really will take effect. Across England and Wales, away from the far north of England, you'll have a mostly dry day with some brighter skies, but later on the cloud will slowly thicken from the south, heralding some more wet weather. Before that though, watch out for that wind in the north. It's going to be a cold afternoon across Scotland, 7 to 9 degrees Celsius, 12 for Northern Ireland, and we hang on to the mild conditions across most of England and Wales, 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. Now through Thursday evening, you'll see the first of the rain arrive across southern counties of England. Drier skies towards the north, which is good news if you're travelling through Thursday evening rush hour. Showery bits and pieces for Northern Ireland, Northern England, central and southern parts of Scotland. The rain has lost its intensity, but the air remains cold across central and northern areas of Scotland, with those showers streaming in, particularly across northern and then northeastern facing coasts. So the rain through Thursday evening could turn heavy yet again as it slowly creeps in across central parts of England and Wales. A frost for central and northern areas of Scotland, with those showers continuing. Thickening cloud ahead of it, a little bit of showery rain can't be ruled out through Friday morning. This rain warning covers most of England and Wales, away from the far north and west of England and Wales, but the rain will be heavy and persistent through into Friday afternoon. Here are your temperatures through Friday afternoon then: 6, 7, 8 for Scotland, 9 for Northern Ireland, so a few degrees down on today. And for England and Wales, feeling unpleasant after the cloud and the rain arrives. And that rain, as I said, will really be quite relentless through the afternoon, coupled with a strong and gusty wind coming in from the east. Temperatures across the far south, though, hanging on to probably around 15 degrees Celsius. So that's the picture as we head through Friday afternoon into evening time. That rain covering most of England and Wales and creeping in across the far south of Northern Ireland later. For more details of the weather into the weekend and beyond, check out our 10-day trend. This week it's with Alex Burkill. Take care and have a good day. I'll see you again soon.